Welcome to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share, and don't forget to activate the bell so you don't miss the latest video notifications. The F-22 Raptor, a marvel of modern aviation, stands as the embodiment of 21st century technology, a stealthy guardian of the skies. Armed to the teeth with an arsenal that seems ripped from the pages of a sci-fi novel, this fighter jet redefines air dominance. Its mission: to deliver city-destroying explosive precision upon any adversaries who dare challenge the might of the United States, with a particular focus on the longtime thorn in America's side, China. But for the U.S. Air Force, dominance is merely the beginning of their aspirations. They thirst for more, and they have set their sights on the next generation of weaponry: lasers. Yes, you heard it right. Laser weapons are on the horizon for the F-22, and they are nothing short of astounding. In this video, we dive into the captivating world of these incoming laser weapons, alongside the mind-boggling array of armaments already installed on the F-22 Raptor. From the sky to the sea and the ground, this remarkable aircraft takes precision to a whole new level thanks to these formidable weapons. 1. AMRAAM-120 AMRAAM. The primary air-to-air missile of the F-22. With a range of over 100 miles and the ability to engage multiple targets simultaneously. 2. M9X Sidewinder. A short-range heat-seeking missile, perfect for close and air-to-air combat. 3. GBU-32 JDAM. A precision-guided bomb that devastates enemy ground forces, guided via GPS or inertial systems. 4. GBU-39 Small Diameter Bomb. Lightweight bombs designed to neutralize fortified enemy positions, guided by GPS or onboard laser systems. 5. GBU-88 HARM. Used for suppressing enemy air defenses by targeting radar installations and electronic systems. 6. 61 Vulcan Cannon. A 20mm rotary Gatling cannon that can fire up to 6,000 rounds per minute. These weapons combined to make the F-22 invincible in the sky, ensuring unrivaled air dominance for the U.S. Air Force. However, their hunger for more drives them to seek a weapon that shoots faster, longer, and with greater precision, which brings us to the exciting world of laser weapons. The Air Force Research Lab, AFRL, is the driving force behind these dreams of laser weaponry. They've developed a program known as the Self-Protect High Energy Laser Demonstrator, or SHIELD, uniting defense giants like Northrop Grumman, Boeing, and Lockheed Martin. Lockheed Martin, in particular, has delivered a compact and powerful laser, known as Lance, which is small, lightweight, and highly efficient. Laser weapons offer incredible advantages, including speed, accuracy, versatility, an unlimited magazine, and cost-effectiveness. These high-energy beams travel at the speed of light, making them nearly impossible for targets to evade. They can be used for a wide range of applications, from destroying enemy vehicles to disabling missiles, and they have the potential for an infinite magazine, with minimal logistical challenges and cost. Laser weapons are also incredibly stealthy, operating silently and emitting no visible light. This makes them ideal for covert operations, as they can eliminate targets without alerting nearby personnel or raising alarms. So, as the F-22 Raptor embraces the era of laser weaponry, it further cements its status as one of the most feared fighters in history, and China watches with trepidation. The response from China remains a closely guarded secret. But one thing's for sure: the F-22 is on the path to becoming even more superior, and the future of aerial warfare is nothing short of captivating. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video to unlock the classified details of China's response to this evolving narrative. Thanks for watching.